trying to remember your name. Then it goes. Yeah, there's like a little harmonica or something playing, or C. You could do a little arpeggio there, or you could just. Which, let's cover the intro. A minor, E, C. And I'm playing this D with just 2 fingers, and I'm leaving the high E to ring. So like a D sus. I don't know, it's a D sus 4, D sus 2, I can't remember. Okay, so that's the first like musical phrase. A minor, E, C, D sus, and then it's just the F, F, C. And it repeats. And at the end, they sing, live through this and you won't look back. They kind of sing along with it. Live through this and you won't look back. After that intro, they go to the C. And the singing starts over this. The lyrics begin before the verse. God, it was strange. Strange is where it begins. Strange to see you again. F, G, C, F, G. And honestly, you could play this all downstrokes because I don't hear like, I just hear. You play the simplified G, F if you want. I watched the female singer was. I watched a video of her doing it. She was putting the F that way. It's fine. I just I made a decision at one time. I was just always going to play an F bar chord, but there's nothing wrong with those other. Courtney Barnett plays that F too. Anyways, where was I? All right, so the verse is C, F, G. Okay, that repeats like, I don't know, maybe like 8 times. And then, last time, like where I sang, the moment it started to rain, F, G. So you go through that, and then you go back to the F, and that's your new chord progression. Capture a taxi, F, A minor, G. Lost Port Champlain. I messed up the lyrics. I said Lake Champlain. That'd be tough to drive over Lake Champlain. All right, that's the whole song. Right? Those 4 parts. The C part. You got the C, F to G. You got and then you go to F, A minor to G. And then you have that intro, which is A minor, E, C, D, F, F. And you know, all I did to figure that out was I just listened to the bass notes. So. All right, thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye. You know, I would like to hear it like boom.